Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning to my friends in the east. Good evening, good night to people on the other side of the world. I strongly wish you a thriving Thursday. Yes, it's already Thursday. One more day to go, one more day to slog on that work and then relax for a weekend. But try and make sure that your Thursday is equally thriving. Well, as you can see, I'm all sweaty, perhaps stinky. It clearly demonstrates my morning before I'm talking to you. I started talking to you. I ran a 6K again, followed by a 15 minutes of power yoga. And no better glow, no better makeup. Sweat is the real makeup. Hey Atul, good morning. So guys, please ensure you get your daily doses of vitamin D and you are warming up your muscles, your joints, and working hard a bit on your body, because you do not want your body to be stressed, itchy, achy, stiff at one part and different at the other. You want to have symmetry all across. So yes, 20 minutes in the morning would not hurt. Hey Atul, I hope you did warm up. If not, go for a run or just do some basic stretches. On that note of a thriving Thursday, I also wish that you had a good 3 days at work. You could better manage your stress, you could better manage the work-life balance, and overall you are having a happy week. Coming back to what I did special, what I did different, what I did new this quarantine, this lockdown, this pandemic, right? Okay, so here is #4, the number 4 new thing. I started to write a lot of notes. Yes, it sounds as trivial as it sounds, but it's not trivial. It's highly, highly important. So what I'm trying to touch on this conversation is the importance of writing notes. Previously, what I would do was I would, rely on my calendar for basic time management. I would time box my tasks, my activities, and put it on the calendar. But you know what, friends, it's not very effective, because usually when your tasks, your ad hoc pressure, or anything new or sudden that comes up actually overrides your time, and like in a blink, and then you knock yourself out of your time management in no time. So what helped was, writing notes. I categorized my notes into typical 5 categories. Good morning, Shivam. So what I did was categorizing my notes into 5 categories, primarily, which would be work, health, activity, wellness, family, counseling, and mentoring. And on these 5, I would further subcategorize depending upon, like for work, I would do to-dos, meetings, and extras. But why the written notes actually help? The number one reason, written notes are much, much more powerful than mental notes. Why? Because your mind is not a machine. It needs to rest. So the amount of pressure, the amount of taxing pain that you put on your mind every time you're taking mental notes is supremely bad for your body, for your mind, for your brains. It makes you more exhausted, and it makes you react more under pressure than you would normally do. So why not chill back, have a note, and when you are heading into a meeting what you need to touch base on. So mental notes are like absolutely where you cannot prevent them is when you're not prepared for an ad hoc crisis moment or a meeting suddenly that comes up, right? But most of the time you can often manage and have written notes. So the first thing is getting rid of the mental pressure. Second thing is the clarity of what next. If you have written notes like your to-dos, the meetings you are getting into, you really know what next you're coming up. The next 30 minutes, can you take a break, or you still need to continue on a couple of tasks? That's second. Third is, it empowers your prioritization. If you have 10 tasks and 2 ad hoc tasks, you can clearly say, okay, these are my top 5 for the next 30 minutes or an hour, and thereby, so empowers prioritization. Following the same is, it enables you to say a stronger no. Yes, the importance of saying no and pushing back on not so important deadlines, not so important tasks is also very, very important to maintain your work-life balance, your mental pressure at work, and not just at work, at anything that you're trying to do, right? Like if I feel a bit exhausted today, I felt free to say myself that I do say a no to HIIT today, right? So likewise. So guys, this really helped me improve my productivity, my efficiency, at the same time, not reacting in an itchy manner, not getting irritable when somebody reaches out, or 10 people are bugging me at the same time for a couple of tasks at work, because we are all working remote. So somebody's calling you, somebody's ringing you, somebody's pinging you on Slack, communicators, different platforms. So this was a great improvement that I did on my end, and I wanted to share the significance of written notes. As much as possible, please try avoid taking mental notes, because this poor little thing deserves pampering, love, and rest. On that note, please have a great Thursday. Take time for yourself, prioritize yourself for 20 minutes of the day, if not an hour, and find yourself to meditate and relax, and stay healthy, stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye, take care.